Okay, welcome to a new trading day, 19th of September. We are making the video at the end of the trading session. Real estate group hit 61.8% retracement at $26.77. We did not enter, mainly is because, well, not really interested in real estate group, even though it looks healthy. Entry would have been ideal probably 2 days ago at $231. So we put an arrow up. The main reason why that's the case is because it hit 61.8% retracement, as stated there. Of course, the ideal entry is to wait for the weekly candle or Heikin-Ashi candle to turn green. However, we know that from a lot of what's it called? Forgot the name. Anyways, the history or looking back, you know that once you wait for the weekly to turn, it's kind of delayed. So yes, oh, look at it. It's roughly the same price. Who knows? We might actually make an entry later today. Good risk. Yeah, actually we might take that one in today. All right, let's see. It's roughly at the same price. Let's take a short gamble and risk, say, $300. Let's say $300 we risk. Let's see if this pans out. Oh, it's telling us to buy 50 shares. Okay, still on a weekly uptrend. We zoom out. It kind of looks like it's starting to range though. As you can see, it's starting to range here. Ideally, we want to wait for this, but because RSI is below 0, I think this is a valid entry. Okay, decided that I am going to purchase REA at $31.35 instead of the 50 shares that recommended, because I only want to risk $300. I'm actually going to risk a little bit less and basically place my order now. Hopefully I'll get in. I've only got another 40 minutes before trading closes for this stock, but we'll see how that goes. Ooh, only 3,000 available. All right, before we move on, I actually purchased some more BHP shares at $40. So what did I buy? I think I bought 125 shares of BHP to add. So therefore now we have $26,000 worth of BHP shares. All right, I'll get back to the, oh, well, actually no. So the day goes all right. TLX jumped up quite a bit, up to 10% early in morning trade. Don't know the reason why. Probably upgrade in terms of the stock, like Promedicis, which led the charge for the pharmaceutical industry or sector. Overall, copper has caused REA to drop. The rest is done pretty much jack all, pretty flat, considering that today the overall market is up 0.64%. My portfolio is not doing as well because heavily in the mine. This one here, BVS, oh, it's looking really good. I have a sale order here for BVS at $2.45, so 5 cents away from getting target. Quickly log out and look at why I entered BHP. Okay, I left this line here because I put the order in before we went to pick up the kids at school. It's trending upwards, but let's look at the daily here. Okay, this is our uptrend line. Okay, so we're at a very important resistance level here on the daily, and most importantly, it is at the golden pocket or the golden ratio. Ooh, not just yet. Sorry, not yet. So the main reason why I thought it's going to go up, okay, on the weekly, we already had 3 down weeks. Okay, but most importantly, what I like to see here is this actually close above last week's close of 39.88. So if today we close above that, there's a high probability that this will continue upwards, and then I'll have an exit at 43.30, which is the targeting the previous high. Obviously, we're going to see a lot of resistance at these levels, and I will make a calculated decision at that point. But looking at the Hakanashi, right? You can see it's going to do a double dip. So hopefully that's it. Hopefully it starts turning rather than start sliding even more. But BHP is really safe stock in terms of its beta. It's 0.97, so it trails closely to the actual market. So how beta works is if it's below 1, it's less volatile than the actual market, and if it's above 1, it's more volatile. So if you look at the pharmaceutical stocks like Tilix, you can expect this to be above 1. Okay, see, it's 1.23, so it's more volatile than the actual market. And then you look at defensive stock like Woolworths, it doesn't move as much. So the beta on Woolworth is 0.53. So if the market moves 10%, expect Woolworth to move around about 5%, half of it. And that is how beta works.